In a primetime news follow-up, Commissioner of Police George Coelho says with community support, the police will nab the gunman who killed a 17-year-old teen on the weekend. But how close are the police in making a breakthrough in the case? TVJ's Janella Precious spoke to the Commissioner following a function at the Office of the Prime Minister today.
Who murdered 17-year-old Nicole Moulton and why? Questions still linger about the gruesome attack of the teen, otherwise called Snow White, and her 12-year-old sister, who were asleep when gunmen struck at their home on 10th Street in Zimbabwe, Trenchtown. One theory which the police appear to have ruled out, at least for now, is that the teen rejected sexual advances by men from the community. The Commissioner of Police George Coelho took to social media site Twitter, where he said, quote, "We do not have any facts to support sexual assault or threats in the unfortunate murder of Nicole Moulton. Let's accord her respect," unquote. This confirms claims by residents of Zimbabwe in Trenchtown, who interestingly took to the streets Tuesday, not in protest against the attack, but instead to reject claims that men from the area were behind it. The police are hoping to make a breakthrough in the matter. They're relying heavily on eyewitnesses to come forward.
And I am confident that they will give us whatever information that is required to bring those persons to justice, and that is exactly what we're after.
What is different now? Because I know that the police, they've had issues in getting people to come forward to give information.
We understand some inner cities, the notion that informer for dead, still alive and well. But what I saw and experienced yesterday is a community that is incensed. That is telling me that they are not prepared to cover up.
The commissioner also condemned the nature of the crime.
When a 17-year-old with so good promise, can be killed in a manner like this, it really causes a lot of pain. It seems as if we are sung to a new law.
Almost 4 months in office, murders and other gun-related crimes continue to spiral out of control, with sections in and around the corporate area and out west worst affected. We questioned Commissioner Coelho on his handling of his position as the crime boss. Is it that you're out of depth?
Absolutely not. When you approach your job every day as if you're going for like this is the first day, it means you're all fired up, you're ready to go. I am confident too that generally men and women of the JCF are decent, committed persons, and they want to see Jamaica on the right path. But we're also cognizant that we can't do it alone.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.